Okay, this is one of those 3D printing pens. Let's see how this turns out.
Hey, I missed it.
Yep.
I missed the bag of packages.
Easy, Mr. Hugo. Wait, Mr. Hugo, you might want to break something? Wow, this is bigger than I thought. This is,
Can you please? I don't know. I think I might do something else.
yeah, this is a, there's the filament. Pretty big amount of filament, actually, that I ordered separately.
What else?
And finally actually got to the pen itself. It says electric heating nozzle, all that fun stuff. And what do you get inside here? I'm not going to actually turn it on right this second, but we'll do this in another video. An operation manual, some starter filament, plug, and the actual pen itself.
Daddy, can you look on that?
We'll do it later, Mr. Hugo. We'll get to it.